To start, create a slip knot. Create a loop with the yarn, twist over and bring the long tail of yarn through the loop. Pull the loop to secure the knot. Now insert the hook into the loop and pull the knot securely using the long tail. To hold the yarn, place your hand flat and place the yarn over your palm. Hold the yarn with the bottom 3 fingers. Bring yarn behind your index finger and turn your hand towards you, keeping your index finger pointed. Hold the slip knot with your thumb and middle finger. To work a chain, move the hook towards you and then under the yarn. Twist the hook to catch the yarn and pull through. Repeat until you have worked enough chains for your project. Each stitch will look like a V, so it is easy to count how many you have done. In this video, we have done 10. To start a row of double crochet, you first need to work an extra chain. This chain does not count as a stitch. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Here I am going into both parts of the stitch. Move hook under the yarn and pull through the first stitch. You will now have 2 loops on your hook. Now wrap the hook again and pull through both loops. This is a double crochet. Now insert hook into next stitch. Wrap yarn around hook, pull through stitch, wrap yarn around hook again and pull through both loops. Repeat this until you get to the end of the row. Always check to make sure you have the right amount of stitches at the end of a row. To start the next row, work 1 chain and turn your work. Miss the chain you have just worked and insert the hook into the first stitch. Now you are ready to work the double crochet stitch along the row. To secure your work, cut the yarn and pull through the last stitch. So to start with the treble, you need to work a few more stitches. So I'm going to work 2 more chains. So first you need to wrap the hook around the yarn and then we're going to work into the 3rd chain from the hook. And now we've got the original stitch and then 2 loops on the hook. So now we're just going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the original chain. And again we've got 3 loops on the hook. And we're going to pull through and wrap through and go through 2. And then wrap through it and go through the final 2. So again, you want to wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the stitch, wrap the yarn around and go through the first stitch, wrap and go through 2, wrap and go through 2. And now we've got 2 trebles. We're going to continue until the end of the chain. Then you make your final treble crochet into the last chain. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trebles, and then you've got your beginning 2 chain as the turning chain. So for the next row, we're going to work 2 chains, and then we're going to turn the work. So now you want to work your treble into that first stitch so it looks like it's coming out of the chain stitch. And then to secure, just pull through again and pull through. And that's how you do a treble crochet.